Hey guys, it is Dr. Kadisha. I'm your board certified emergency medicine physician, and I'm just here to uh, give you four brief tips on how to win the battle of the booze tonight. You may or may not have a horse in the race as far as the Super Bowl, but if you're somewhere social, you are engaged in the battle of the booze. And I just want to help keep you out of the emergency room, keep you out of jail, and keep you out of gastrointestinal distress tonight and tomorrow, okay? All right, so I just want to, thank you guys for coming into the room. Please like, comment, share, let me know of other topics that you'd like me to discuss in the future, and let's get back to the battle of the booze. So, number one, first, if it's not too late, consider taking an Uber, a Lyft, or a designated driver with you to the Super Bowl party. Hello, Mr. Page. Hi, Dr. Tanya. Thank you for coming in, guys. Alcohol starts to work quicker than we realize. First, it starts off as a stimulant. We feel upbeat, we're excited, we're more social, things like that. We're more outgoing, but slowly the our judgment starts to slip. Okay, and before we even show signs of intoxication, our driving related skills can start to decline and decision making abilities just in general. Okay, so we don't want you to be in that state when you have to decide whether or not to drive home after the Super Bowl party tonight. And just because you stop drinking and have a cup of coffee, that's like a myth. Coffee's not going to counteract the effects of alcohol. And after that caffeine wears off, you might be even more drowsy as the alcohol levels increase in our system as the alcohol continues to be absorbed from our GI tract. So long after your last drink, you may still have rising levels of alcohol in your system. And that could be why, you're on a little caffeine high driving home and you still get pulled over because you might not realize it, but the police might realize that your driving skills are a little bit off, and that could be why, some people end up with DUIs tonight. This is a popular night for that kind of thing. Second, when you get to the party, yes, you might like mixed alcoholic drinks, but how about mixing those alcoholic drinks with water, juice, your favorite soda, something like that. Alternate your alcohol with a non-alcoholic drink. Okay, that will slow the absorption of alcohol in your system and hopefully keep you from getting to that level where your judgment and decision-making skills are completely off, okay? Also, food, make sure you eat a good amount of food also. That can decrease the amount or the rate of absorption by about a third. And it'll also help decrease that stomach irritation and other GI issues you may have when you drink too much when you wake up the next morning. Okay, third, try to remember the last time you were at a social event. Did you embarrass yourself? Did you pee somewhere you shouldn't have? Did you vomit somewhere you shouldn't have? Did you end up in a fight? Did you end up in a verbal altercation, a physical altercation? Did you end up in jail? Did you? Did you? Or did any of your friends end up in any of those situations? Or did they just get on your nerves because they drank too much? Guys, be friends to each other. You guys know, like, when somebody is starting to have too much to drink. I had a girlfriend tell me about a very close mutual friend. Oh yeah, when she has too much to drink, she starts doing like this baby talk thing and it gets really irritating, and then she becomes like highly confrontational. I was like, good. So you saw that. So next time you guys go out, if you see her doing the baby talk thing or whatever, try to gently convince her to stop drinking and have her do the same thing to you, because they still talking about you from the last time you did something when you had too much to drink. You don't want to like set a pattern. You don't want to set a pattern with that, okay? So guys, be friends to each other. Keep yourselves from going past that point of no return. And fourth, say you did drive to the party anyway. A lot of you guys are probably already where you're going to be and you drove there and you want to drink. Think about this. Okay, I know it's going to be inconvenient if you catch a cab, Uber, Lyft, or whatever home and you leave your car at your friend's house. And you're like, oh, I don't want to leave my car. I got to be at work tomorrow. Well, consider getting up early and getting your car for work tomorrow. Something like that. Nothing is worth you. Nothing is worth more than you getting home, you getting yourself and your loved ones home safely to see another day without an ER visit, without a trip to the auto repair shop, or a night spent in jail. Nothing is worth more than having a clean record tomorrow, having a dentless car tomorrow, and not having the symptoms of a hangover tomorrow. So again, enjoy tonight. This is Dr. Khadisha, your board certified emergency medicine physician. Please follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook at Dr. Khadisha MD. That is DrKadishamD. And four things. Consider taking another mode of transportation to the Super Bowl party. 2, eat food, drink non-alcoholic drinks. 3, be mindful of when you've had too much to drink and when your friends have had too much to drink. And 4, again, consider taking a taxi, Uber, or Lyft home because you don't want to risk getting caught with pulled over for a DUI. You don't want to risk getting into a fight with somebody. You don't want to risk going to jail and messing up your clean record. And you don't want to be in the ER tomorrow trying to get a work slip, right? I don't want you in the ER in the morning trying to get a work slip. So again, enjoy tonight, be safe. And this is Dr. Khadisha signing out. Bye.